458 Spider by Ferrari, one of the finest exotic cars made. I wanted to actually just showcase this car for a moment because this client is very particular. As you can see, the Ferrari is a beautiful maroon color. But what we did is actually add a little bit of black accent to the trims. As you can see from the mirrors here, we actually covered this. The mirrors are covered in black vinyl to actually match the gloss paint. In addition to the mirrors, if you look at the frame of the windshield here, we actually covered this too in a black. So give it a little bit more of a sporty look, a little bit more cool factor. Also in the back, we're not finished, but you will see the completed finished Ferrari when we're done. The entire trunk back here, this area, the engine cover that actually opens up to hide the roof, this is going to be covered in gloss black as well. So when we're finished with this Ferrari, it's going to actually have some really great high gloss black vinyl wrap that's actually added to the trims, as you can see, as well as part of the engine cover. This baby's gonna look awesome.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
The rest of the vehicle, to cover the maroon, original paint, we're actually gonna do a canary yellow wrap. The black and yellow is gonna be a perfect contrast, gonna make this Ferrari pop on the road. So it's gonna actually sound amazing and look even better. Check it out.
Change, you can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say.
Yes, in Fantasy Motorsports, we actually wrap cars the professional way, the right way, not the wrong way, not the cheap way. We actually remove everything from the vehicle, from headlights to taillights, door handles, emblems. We almost remove the engine out of the engine bay in order to wrap your car properly. Come over here to Fantasy Motorsports, do yourself a favor, get your vehicle wrapped the proper way, the professional way, the way it's gonna last 5 to 7 years, and you'll be a very happy person. Please continue watching as we finish wrapping this Ferrari, and I'll be back later and show you the final result. Take care.
Like O que